Useless actor. Get back here, let's do it again. Also, your shoes, screw your shoes, man. They take too long to put on. Try putting my shoes on. Let's go do it right now because we need to set some things up. Click it. Open. And let me set this up. Let's get in here. On. Actually, we can't have this on because we need it to be for door. But this needs to be on light. Light is on. Let's try this on and close this. It's still on. This time do the whole thing. Just place camera, don't need to buckle it up. Okay. Place camera, put gloves on. Actually, okay. Get in the car, place camera, clutch, brake, start the car, put gloves on.
Where are the gloves? I didn't see them.
Just be on the dash. Gloves on, and then...
If they're not there, then I'm not putting them.
Okay, well, I'll wait. We'll check. But like, gloves on, wait for the cold start to drop. Bueno. It's gonna go from like 2,500 to like 1,000 or whatever. You'll hear it goes. And
then I turned off.
And then you just drive away. Okay.
So you want me to drive away?
This time we're gonna drive away because I think we're one shot. That's all we need. I think. Let me go check for gloves. Yeah, they're right there on the dash.
Okay.
Are there two? Do you have your phone? Actually, I have this.
What's that?
Yeah, there's two. Kind of weak. Kind of weak watch. Kind of weak. Once we're on the road, then you can start going down. Indicator right. Start turning. Okay. And then we'll be on the road. So as long
you guys won't see me.
Yeah, we'll be on the road, and then you start going, and then we'll see you.
You don't want this driveway.
No, we'll see the driveway there. Because we'll cut that before that. Okay, here's what's happening. It is what it is.
The production is very expensive.
Oh my goodness.
It's bad?
Yeah.
I mean, lights would be worse because you're not going to be able to film. Окей, поворот, Ерік.
Okay.
Не ставати на стоп.
And you're like going back, start going back, and then чуть-чуть типа. Yeah, nah, dude, that ain't working.
I'll just shake the head.
Yeah.
I'll just shake it a little more, I guess. Just like.
Що ти робиш, Максим? This is the good shots. Да вообще, man.
First of all, let me tell you. First of all, it's set to recording. I was taking pictures. No other time. Second of all, when I open this up, this is what I see.
Show me, what do you see?
This is what I see.
Oh, I can't even see it, it's so bright.
Oh my god.
But ти куди йдеш? Let's just do the front either way. Go walk there right now. We'll just have it. Cut. Улыбаться good. Don't laugh though.
Я такого находится, а потом находится. От боли просто. I didn't want to.